Welcome, Tesla enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about something crucial: safety and security. We'll be reviewing the top 5 safety and security accessories for Tesla cars available on Amazon. These products will help you enjoy driving your Tesla with extra peace of mind. Let's get started. First, we have the Nexar Beam GPS Dashcam. This high-definition camera records all your trips with stunning clarity. Its fantastic feature is the built-in GPS technology, allowing you to track your location accurately. Users love the excellent video quality and ease of use. It's a great tool for protection in case of accidents. Second, we present the Spytech GL300 GPS tracker. This small but powerful device can be easily hidden in your Tesla. It allows you to track your car in real time via a smartphone app. Users praise its accuracy and long battery life. It's perfect for protecting your car from theft or locating it in large parking lots. Third, we have the LifeHammer Safety Hammer Evolution. This small tool can save your life in emergencies. It features a hammerhead for breaking windows and a blade for cutting seatbelts. Although Tesla cars are extremely safe, having this tool provides an extra layer of security. Fourth, we introduce the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you might need in emergencies. It comes with an additional mini kit that's easy to carry. Users love the completeness of the contents. Having a first aid kit in your Tesla is essential for being prepared for any situation. Finally, we have the Noco Boost Plus GB40 Jump Starter. This portable charger is powerful enough to jumpstart your Tesla. It can also be used to charge your electronic devices. Users are impressed by its power and versatility. It's a great addition to your car's emergency equipment. Stay safe and prepared with these essential accessories. These were the top 5 safety and security accessories for Tesla cars. Remember, investing in safety is an investment in peace of mind. All product links are in the video description below. Don't forget to use the links when purchasing to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla tips and reviews.